Question: how will pH increase if 0.05 mole of sodium acetate is added to 1 liter of a 0.005 m acetic acid solution? Acid dissociation constant for acetic acid is given as 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5. एक acetic acid का solution है and it must be having some pH value, and to this acetic acid sodium acetate is added, which will lead to increase in pH because sodium acetate क्या होता है? CH3COONA. Sodium acetate is a salt of weak acid and strong base. कौन सा acid? CH3COOH and base NaOH. So CH3COOH plus NaOH gives sodium acetate. Because of the presence of this strong base, when sodium acetate is added to acetic acid, its pH will increase. Now to find the increase in the pH, first find the pH of the acetic acid. Acetic acid dissociates as acetate ion and H plus ion. 1 mole of acetic acid dissociates to give 1 mole of acetate and 1 mole of H plus ion. So concentration of H plus ion is equal to concentration of acetate ion. Value of Ka will be equal to concentration of acetate ion into concentration of H plus ion divided by concentration of remaining acetic acid. Acetate ion multiplied by H plus ion. Now since H plus ion concentration is same as acetate ion, it can be written as H plus whole square divided by acetic acid. Now value of K is 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5 and the concentration of acetic acid is 0.005 m. Acetic acid is a weak acid. From the value of K, it is evident value of K is very low. So acetic acid is a weak acid, because of which the amount of acetic acid which dissociates to give acetate and H plus ion is very less. For example, if initial concentration is 1 molar, then out of 1 mole, if alpha moles dissociate to give alpha moles of acetate and alpha moles of H plus ion. Since value of alpha is very less than 1, the value of alpha is neglected in the denominator. Remaining acetic acid concentration, so it can be taken as approximately equal to 1. यहाँ पर जो acetic acid की concentration है वो है 0.005 moles per liter. तो यहाँ पे ये सारी values multiply हो जाएंगी 0.005 से 0.005 0.005. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? K की वैल्यू जो हो जाएगी वो हो जाएगी 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5 is equal to 0.005 अल्फा इसका होल स्क्वायर और डिनोमिनेटर में 0.005 1 माइनस अल्फा. अब डिनोमिनेटर में अल्फा नेग्लेक्ट कर देंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 0.005 अल्फा होल स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाई 0.005. और H प्लस आयन की कॉन्सेंट्रेशन क्या है? H प्लस आयन की कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है 0.005 अल्फा. सो इन दिस इक्वेशन ऑल्सो square of the concentration of H plus ion divided by concentration of acetic acid which is equal to 0.005. तो यहाँ से H plus ion की concentration आ जाएगी 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 0.005. ये concentration है square of the H plus ion concentration. तो सिर्फ H plus ion की concentration हो जाएगी square root of this value, that is 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 0.005 को हम लिख सकते हैं 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. Now this is equal to 1.8 into 5 हो गया 9, 10 to the power minus 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 हो गया 10 to the power minus 8. इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकालेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 3 into 10 to the power minus 4. This is the H plus ion concentration. मतलब 0.005 अल्फा की वैल्यू है 3 into 10 to the power minus 4. pH क्या हो जाएगा? pH हो जाएगा minus log of 3 into 10 to the power minus 4. This is equal to, this can be written as log 1 by 3 into 10 to the power minus 4. Solving, ये हो जाएगा log 10 to the power 4 minus log 3. log 10 to the power 4 होता है 4 minus log 3 होता है 0.477. सॉल्विंग इसकी वैल्यू आ जाएगी 3.523. तो pH ऑफ एसिटिक एसिड कितना है? pH ऑफ एसिटिक एसिड है 3.523. दिस इज द pH बिफोर एडिंग सोडियम एसिटेट. व्हेन सोडियम एसिटेट इज एडेड तब उसका pH हो जाएगा Ka into concentration of acid divided by concentration of the salt. Ka की वैल्यू क्या है? Ka की वैल्यू है 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5. एसिड की कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. It is given in the question 0.005 which can be written as 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. सॉल्ट जो ऐड किया, सॉल्ट की कॉन्सेंट्रेशन क्या है? सॉल्ट की कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है 0.05. तो ये हो गया 5 into 10 to the power minus 2. 5 कैंसल, 10 to the power minus 3 and 10 to the power minus 2 ये कैंसिल होगा, यहाँ पे बचेगा 10 to the power minus 1. So this is 1.8 into 10 to the power, this is not pH, this will be H plus ion concentration. 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 6. Now pH will be equal to, now this is the concentration of H plus ion in a mixture of acetic acid and sodium acetate. तो अब जो pH है वो हो जाएगा log 1 by 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 6 and this will be equal to log 10 to the power 6 minus log 1.8. तो ये हो गया 6 minus log 1.8 is 0.255. This is equal to 5.745. Now the pH of the solution is 5.745. This is the pH of the mixture of acetic acid and sodium acetate. So what has happened on adding sodium acetate? The pH has increased. So final pH 5.745 minus initial pH of the acetic acid, that is 3.523, and this is equal to 2.222, or this can also be written as 2.2. So increase in pH on adding sodium acetate to acetic acid is 2.2.